How to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. Step-by-step guide. By the way, get free Bitcoins by signing up with the link in the description. By the way, if I hadn't already just said this, open an account with the link below and get $10 worth of free Bitcoin. So investors are taking advantage of current prices. 20,000 today it was. In anticipation of a huge future bull run, there is no shortage of ways to buy Bitcoin. And sadly, not all cryptocurrency exchanges are as reputable and safe as others. This is why anyone new to cryptocurrencies would be wise to buy tokens at Coinbase. Why buy Bitcoin on Coinbase? Coinbase is the largest Bitcoin exchange online, having 10 million users who have traded over 50 billion in digital currency, and user friendliness makes Coinbase easiest and safest Bitcoin exchange for people who are new to buying Bitcoin. The Bitcoins you keep on Coinbase are insured against hacking and are FDIC insured. In addition, Coinbase also allows you to purchase Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. How to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase, you ask? Number 1, gather items. What new Coinbase users need to buy Bitcoin in order to buy Bitcoin at Coinbase? You will need a copy of your government-issued photo ID, bank account information, or login credentials, or a valid debit card. If you verify your information, you are allowed unlimited investing with the link in the description. And if you verify your photo ID, then you can also send and receive the digital currencies supported on Coinbase. Number 2, opening your Coinbase account. If you sign up with the link below, then you will get $10 of free Bitcoin. When signing up to Coinbase, names on IDs, documents, and bank or credit cards details need to match exactly. Users simply fill in the fields that are required to open an account and verify their identity by uploading a copy of their ID documents. After signing up, you will need to verify your email address. Number 3, verifying your identity. You will be prompted to upload a photo or use your webcam to take a photo of your ID or passport and a picture of yourself. Then, your identity will be confirmed within a couple of minutes. Number 4, connecting and verifying your bank details or credit card. After successfully opening a Coinbase account, users will need to verify their payment details. There are 2 ways to confirm a bank account, and you will be given option A first. Option A, immediate confirmation. Depending on which bank you use, you may have the option to confirm it immediately by providing Coinbase with temporary access to your online banking platform. Option B, small deposits into your account. Coinbase will initiate 2 small transactions which will appear on your credit card or bank statements. Once this transaction has taken place, then go back to Coinbase and select linked accounts. Here you can enter the amounts that they deposited into your account. And after doing so, your bank account will be confirmed. Number 5, enable 2-factor authentication. This is not required, but we recommend it as an added layer of protection for your Bitcoin. Go to Settings, Security, follow the prompts to enable this security. Number 6, the fun part. Buy your Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. It's time to buy, guys. And hopefully you went to the link down below and got your $10 free of Bitcoin. Now, select from Bitcoin or other cryptos. Once you click the buy button, the sale will take place and Bitcoin will immediately be credited into your Coinbase wallet. And booyah, You are now the proud owner of Bitcoin or other cryptos held on Coinbase. Congrats! And if you didn't hear already, don't forget to get the $10 of free Bitcoin only with the link in the description. One more time, link in the description. Also, think about subscribing. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy your Bitcoin.